Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create QR code with Google Chrome in one click. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just have different types of links over here. For example, I have my one Google form and one website and YouTube and Google Sheet, everything. In just one click, I just want to create a QR code for this particular sheet. What I have to do here? So in your Google Chrome, right hand side corner, you will find three dots. Just hit the button and just go to cast and save and share. So there will be a share option, copy link, send your device and create QR. Just hit the button create QR. Automatically your QR code will be created over here for the particular sheet. So you now scan this from your YouTube or from this video, you can able to see this sheet. Similarly, I just want to download this QR code. Just click on that. Automatically your QR code will be downloaded from the download, as you see here. So simple and easiest way to generate your QR code. Don't go anywhere, from Google itself providing the QR code with the beautiful options. So use this option to create a QR code and with the options of different ideas, as you see here. So now I just want to create my YouTube channel QR code. Just click the Chrome browser and click and create QR. Within a second, my entire QR code will be ready. Similarly, I just want to create a QR code for this particular website. So just click here the same option and single click you can create a QR, as you see here. And if I want to create a QR code for the Google form, just click the same option and you can create a QR. So simple and easiest way to create a QR and share with your friends for any types of informations you want to share. So this is a simple and easiest way. Don't use a third party. Google Chrome itself providing the QR code. Create a QR code and scan and separate and spread your entire details to the QR code option. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.